Hey guys, here we are, Gaona family, Los Altos de Cerro Azul. We're gonna go see the El Vigia Waterfall. Let's go.
Vigia Waterfall is located in a cloudy tropical rainforest 2,000 feet above sea level called Cerro Azul, which means Blue Hill. This place obtained its name from the majestically blue color seen from a distance.
We're gonna first go see the waterfall down there from above, and then we're gonna go see the waterfall like right in front of us. Yeah, like close by.
In this forest, we can see gatos solos, deer, sloth, pumas, and other felines. The temperature remains around a constant 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit all year long.
Okay, so we're gonna go down to the lower part of the waterfall. So the waterfall is like divided it kind of into like three parts. We just saw the top two parts, now we're gonna go see the bottom part. You want to stay tuned for this.
In this cloudy tropical forest, we can find plants and animals that are native only to this area and not anywhere else in the country.
The waterfall is inside Chagres National Park and is linked to swimming holes, rivers, and other waterfalls that attract many tourists each year. They are connected to hiking trails, creating long, beautiful scenic routes along the river.
And there is the waterfall. Yeah, it's rising. We were just up there taking pictures. No, thank you. We're fighting. Like usual. And then there's sugar. Just to clarify, we didn't eat in the last 6 months, so we're very out of shape. We all have. We're very out of shape. Very. Especially Peppa. A squish. Okay guys, that's the end of our trip for the waterfall, El Vigia. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video if you want to see more content. See you next time. Bye.